Today we will learn about non-infectious disease. Let us understand what we mean by non-infectious. Non-infectious, that means the diseases which do not occur through infection and body contact. It is not by just touch. Non-infectious disease has certain different reasons. These diseases arise in a human body itself due to certain different reasons, not by touch, not by any, you can say, pathogens. Now, first of that is cancer. What is cancer? Cancer is actually uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth. The cell division takes place without any reason. One ka, ek ka do ka cha, like that it goes on without any reason. So what happens is a group or a lump of cancerous cell is called as the malignant tumor, and cancer can occur in any of the organs. It can be lungs, it can be mouth, it can be tongue, it can be breast, it can be uterus in the ladies, it can be stomach, it can be skin also, skin cancer also. It can be blood cancer, so tissues in the blood also gets affected. Now all these things is due to what reasons? Let us understand that. It is due to the consumption of the tobacco, gutkha, smoking, alcoholism and lack of fiber content, that is the leafy and juicy fruit and vegetables in the food. Excessive consumption of junk food like pizza, pasta, burger, etc. That gives us, even the Chinese also, they add their Ajinomoto into it, which is one of the cause of cancer. So even the Chinese food items also. So these are some of the reasons. Of course, sometimes even the hereditary also becomes the reason for the same. Hereditary means from the parent to the offspring. I hope you have knowing about the tobacco, gutkha, smoking, etc., alcoholism, that is drinking part, the hard drinks, whatever we say, and lack of food and vegetables. Secondly, hereditary means from the parent to offspring. So this is how it is shown. So affected, say pink part shows the affected part and blue part shows the non-infected part. So the boy and girl is there, so उसमें से जो offspring पैदा होते, so the girls here got infected and here married to a man. So ultimately a boy or girl can be, in the future generation, can be infected. Now what are the symptoms of the cancer? Now cancer, you see sometimes some inflammation takes place. So all of a sudden you will get the swelling part, then you will get lumps in the breast in case of ladies, then sometimes there is, without any reason, there is a weight loss, and you have cough, but it doesn't go only, so it becomes a chronic cough. You got harsh voice, एकदम मोटा मोटा सा आवाज, and then you are having many a times difficulty in swelling. खाना जो खाते हैं उसको निगलने में भी तकलीफ होती है. That all are some of the symptoms of the cancer. So what all things we can do, children? See, once we know the reason, we have to go for the some of the remedies also. First, let me talk about the before going to the remedies, let me talk about the modern diagnosis treatment. Now you must have heard nowadays whenever some people are going for has corona, doctor says you have to go for the scanning, and then through the scanning report, through the CT scan, they talk about how much is the infection of the corona. So here this is the machine which is of the CT scan. You can see here on the left hand side CT scan machine is there, and to the right hand side we have the MRI machine. In this machine, entire person, this person moves inside the machine, and you can say diagnosis can be done. So we have the CT scan, MRI, we have the mammography for the breast cancer, we have the biopsy, जहाँ पे कोई गांठ होती है तो उसका थोड़ा सा पार्ट निकाल के उसका टेस्टिंग करते हैं. So that is the biopsy part. These are used. So CT scan, MRI, mammography and biopsy. These are some of the things used for the diagnosis of cancer. So okay, this is diagnosis, but अब suppose किसको हो गया. So what are the treatment part? So we have the chemotherapy. The person is given the radiations. Also in the radiation therapy, sometimes what happens is the infected part is removed from the body. Okay, so you have suppose you have a breast cancer, then the breast is removed. So that particular uterus का cancer, the uterus is removed, that particular organ is removed from your body. So such things are there. Even sometimes the robotic and laparoscopic surgery is allowed. That means robot is doing the surgery, or very small machine who is looking inside your body, and accordingly the surgeries are made. So that way all these are the treatment part. So now ठीक है, ये कैंसर वाला नहीं हो, इसलिए हम लोग what all things we can say. Children, we have to do the physical exercise. We have to give up tobacco. कभी भी सिगरेट नहीं पीना चाहिए, तंबाकू नहीं खाना चाहिए, गुटखा नहीं खाना चाहिए. So we can avoid the cancer of the mouth, right? Avoid eating outside Chinese food because it contains Ajinomoto. You can make it at home without adding Ajinomoto, and you can have that. Then
Miss, your voice is cutting.
next we are going to talk about diabetes. Now you must have heard some people are drinking sugar-free tea. Some people they say no, हमको मिठाई नहीं खाना है. Now why it is so? Yes, they are suffering from diabetes. Now what is diabetes? Very common. तुम्हारे भी फैमिली में किसी न किसी, चाचा, मामा, दादा, बुआ, सब किसी न किसी को हो सकता है diabetes. It is not that much dangerous also, okay, but listen to it, what is the cause and what is the effect of it. So we are producing hormone insulin in our pancreas. I hope you know where our pancreas, digestive system में सब फिर देखते हो, right? On one side we have a liver, the other side we have the pancreas, which produces the insulin and which controls the sugar, glucose in our blood. So if insulin is secreted in a low quantity, what will happen? Our glucose level will not be controlled, and this disorder, if our glucose is not in our control, then it is called as diabetes. Now how do a person will come to know? See, inside our what now stomach is doing, what liver is doing, what intestine is doing, we are able to see? No, we are not able to see. So how do we come to know now? Okay, my pancreas is not working properly, insulin is not produced, or now the glucose has increased. There are some symptoms from which we can say that we may have. So one of the symptom is frequent urination at night. Continuously, often you are going to washroom to pass on the urine in the night time. Then unnecessary, there is either very increase in the weight or there is very decrease in the weight. So either there is a obesity or there is a weight loss. Now what are the reasons? Children, most of the times now what I had observed is diabetes is due to the hereditary problem. So if a person is having hereditary, then from mother to the child the diabetes problem passed on. Means अगर मम्मी का पेनक्रियास काम नहीं कर रहा था प्रॉपरली तो मे बी उसके बच्चे का भी पेनक्रियास काम करता नहीं होगा. दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गन मे नॉट बी वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. देन another is obesity. If a person is very fat, then he may have the problem of diabetes. Then lack of exercise. We are just sitting and working on the laptop. What happens is to the tummy goes on increasing. This is the posture. Every time we are just sitting. Now work from home criteria is there. So obesity has increased in the children also. Some of you may be observing that you are also gaining the weight in this last 1.5 year of corona period. Possible. Sometimes a person is having very much mental stress, very much tension is there. Then in that case now mental stress can give rise to many of the diseases, and one of the diseases is diabetes. Okay, so hereditary, obesity, then lack of physical exercise and mental stress are the reasons for the diabetes. तो अभी ये तो है. So what we should do so that we can save ourselves from diabetes? So children, you have to take a proper diet. खाना पीना perfectly. If there is any medicine you are supposed to eat, then you have to eat it properly. Then you have to do exercise. Children, exercise is must. In the PT period, sir is asking you to do exercise. Children, at least do at that time. It is very much necessary. In fact, I to say when PT period is there, na, ask your parent also to join yoga period. Let your parent also join so that they can also do yoga and exercise. It will be good for them also. It is required in this pandemic situation. So medicine, exercise, but whenever you are doing the exercise you should see that you are doing it properly. Under the supervision of any expert you should do it. Okay, so that are some of the preventionary measures to control the diabetes. Now next is the heart disease. Before going to the heart disease, I just tell you one more thing about diabetes, that at present approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in our country. सबसे ज़्यादा इंडियन लोगों को डायबिटीज़ होता है. Okay, so that's a matter of concern because we being Indian we have that problem. So how to overcome that we have to observe. So take care children that you should not have diabetes. Now let us go towards the heart diseases. Now the diseases related to hearts, right? That will be heart disease. Efficiency of the heart decreases. Why? It can be due to the decreased blood supply and therefore the oxygen is less and the other nutritive supply to the heart becomes less. So what happens is due to this the heart has to perform more work. So if it has to perform more work, then it will lead to stress on this. So it will be stress on itself. And this When there is a more stress on the heart, it can give rise to heart attack. And if you come to know that some person has a heart attack, children, immediately you have to consult the doctor and treatment immediately. Whatever is necessary, you have to do it. So if a person has some symptoms कि उसको यू कैन से कि लेफ़्ट हैंड दुख रहा है, उसके लेफ़्ट हैंड के मसल दुख रहे हैं, या तो चेस्ट में पेन है, इट कैन बी हार्ट अटैक. सो इमीडिएट, डोंट इग्नोर any pain in the left side of the hand and the heart part. Okay, so chest pain also we cannot ignore. So one should not ignore the chest pain, the chest in the shoulder, then the neck and the arm. If it has the cramps in the hands, some uneasiness feeling is there, or any tremors are there, then we should not avoid, because this can be the symptom. Now what are the reasons for this heart attack? Again, you will have the smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, सब almost same है. Lack of physical exercise, hereditary, mental stress, anger and anxiety. So that is all in a same. So these are all the reasons. In the exam they may ask you what are the reasons, so you can write down about all this, that smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, these are the some of the reason. Okay, now what are the treatment part? Treatment part, we have the angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stents and pacemaker. You must have seen, children, that your grandparents are taking some decoctations. Why is it so? It is to clear your body. Sometimes on Saturday or Sunday in the morning time they give you detoxification also. So this is the reason behind it. People are using some aloe vera, turmeric, ginger, garlic as a medicine. So you can say all these are medicine. So what is the use of it? Try to find out from the net and do write down somewhere and make a note of the things which you have searched in your standard 8 when you are studying. So if a person is having heart attack, he has to immediately rush towards the doctor. Right? Doctor also nowadays has to keep some little social distance, or the patients are not allowed to meet the doctor directly. So some of the things you should keep in mind. Sometimes artificial respiration is also required, but an expert only can do it. So keep that in mind. If you are 18 plus or something, you can just donate the blood. So you know what happens is, even the blood making capacity in you becomes more and you become more healthy, and that blood can be used for the other purposes also. So treatment part, we have seen that we have to use make pacemaker, we have to install the stents, as per the need of the patient. Sometimes even what happens is we are knowing about the medicines. ओके बुखार आया चलो डोलो ले लो, करेक्ट, टेक वन डोलो टैबलेट एंड यू विल बी फाइन. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग cough and cold, take one cetirizine tablet and you will be fine. So some people, they do use the medicine without the prescription of the doctor. Now children, these things should be avoided. Whenever any medicines are given or taken, it has to be prescribed by the doctor, because overdose of any of the medicine can cause the great damage on the nervous system. So, overuse of the antibiotics may lead to the nausea, stomachache, dysentery, rashes, patches, etc. So, we are not supposed to do misuse of the medicine.